Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2020 Volkswagen Jetta S. This one is fitted with the manual transmission. It's comfortable seats. Take a look at the sticker price here, $20,149. Very, very good for a brand new car. And that's sticker price, of course, before rebates and such. Nice soft touch materials in here. And let's go for a drive. Now you'll notice I'm not going to touch the gas at all. As I start to release the clutch, it revs itself up. So you could set off without touching the gas pedal if you know what you're doing. It's almost like an anti-stall. It's pretty cool. Makes, you know, if this is, I think this is a perfect first car for somebody. Especially if it's their first manual car. Super easy to learn on. Also makes the experience of driving this car quite a bit more fun. So accelerating at 2,000. And not bad. 1.4 liter turbocharged motor, 4-cylinder of course. Brake pedal is really, really good. Brakes are excellent. also put driving mode into Eco, which lessens throttle response. It just makes it overall a little bit more economical. Suspension's really compliant. Even on these eco-friendly tires. Really fun handling, fun to drive. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.